Linda, Lily baby, the most beautiful girl in the whole of Umuchieze kingdom. Please, I want to express my innermost heart desire love for you.
Yeah? What is your problem? What happened?
Linda, be calming down. I want to express my love for you.
I'm calm. Express.
Please, I want to express my unequivocal and innermost love for you. Linda, you know, if you're an apple, a ripe apple, I will not allow you to be on top of a tree. Linda, I'll plug you gently and take you to my humble abode. Linda, I'm in love with you.
Are you mad? Huh? Are you mad? What are you saying? Are you crazy? Do you think I'm playing with you?
Mama, let me rush and go to the market.
Ayoma, you will sell bountifully today.
Amen, Mama. Mama, before I forget, I went to the palace to give Linda the money she asked for.
Oh, the money she asked you for her cream, eh? Oh, that's kind of you, eh? Thank you, my daughter.
But unfortunately, Mama, I didn't meet her in the palace. But I met the prince. He collected the money from me and promised me, he assured me he was going to give it to Linda.
Huh? You saw the prince this morning? Hey, that's some good omen. You will sell like never before.
Amen, Mama.
Ayoma.
Thank you,
Ayoma.
Mama, can you
Ayoma. Oh.
What's the meaning of this nonsense now? I'm asking you. So you're not even afraid? You're coming to talk to me about this thing. You're lucky I cannot find a bottle around me. If I can find a bottle around me, I'll break all your bones. You're coming to talk to me about anything you can. What I will have done to you now? You have regretted your life. You never even look at your hand before you walk to me.
Oh, Linda. Linda, you slapped me. Chima Bobo, the most handsome, youngest graduate in the whole of Umuchieze kingdom. Oh, what a thunderous slap. Linda, I'm not interested again. Just take the majestic walk and leave. I don't want your love again.
Oh, very crazy. You don't even think of your height before you think.
Nollywood's finest young graduate in this village. What a slap. Linda, please just go. I'm not interested again. Mercy! Oh, what a useless girl. She caused this. Which way am I going now? Here or here? No. She's a tigress. Let me take care.
What is it? Mama, where is Chizara? Yeah. Chizara! Linda! What is it? This one you're looking as if you want to kill two people together. Why are you looking for Chizara? Mama, please, do not ask me any questions. Where is Chizara Mekpere? Hey. Linda, I don't know. Until you tell me why you left the palace and came home looking for your younger sister. What's the problem? She went to her shop. Okay? What is it, Linda? Something must happen today. Eh? Something must happen today! Make sure you don't touch her or you have me to contend with. Something will happen today, Mama. What is wrong with you? Something must happen.
Come next time, oh? Yeah? Fine customer. Linda, what is it?
What do you mean, what is it? Do I look like I came here to come and laugh with you? Eh? Do I look like I came here to come and laugh with you? Who asked you to bring money to me in the palace? Did I ask you to go to the palace?
I don't understand.
Have I not begged you not to go to the palace? Eh?
Linda, you're confusing me. What is it now?
I will slap you now. If you ask me that question again, yes, I will slap you now. I will slap you now. I will slap you now.
Linda, what is it now? Where is destroying my goods?
Why did you go to the palace? Don't look for me. Linda! Why did you go to the palace?
What did I do now? What is all this? Why is that in my shop?
Linda, leave my choco. Leave my choco. Why did you go to the palace? Leave my shop. Leave my shop. Leave my shop. Leave my shop alone. Why? You want to do this now? Go to the palace.
I'm ashamed of you guys. You guys are disgrace to this family. Especially you, Linda. Mojo.
Thank you very much, Uncle.
Please shut up your mouth. Are you thanking me for your wickedness or what?
Uncle, don't tell me to shut up my mouth. Please don't tell me to shut up my mouth. I'm in my father's house. You're just my uncle. You cannot come here and start telling me to shut up my mouth. What did I do? Why will I shut up my mouth? I'm the first daughter of this family. Uncle, please don't get me angry by telling me to shut up my mouth. When this tadpole here is the one that got me angry.
You see? You see your parrot wagging her mouth on me as if I am her mate. Why would you always call me here to come and talk to them? Knowing fully well, this one is pocket lawyer. Lohibama. She went and fought her sister in a public market. As if that one was not enough. The sale her goods worth thousands of naira. Is it good? I'm asking you.
That one is not even my problem right now. My problem is how to recover all the goods she damaged in my shop. If Linda sitting down here does not pay for those goods, Uncle, there will be more fights in this house. So
we're back.
Okay.
You idiot.
Okay.
More fight where?
I'm okay now.
More fight where? You are a very foolish person. Okay. Come and collect the money for your damages now. Come and collect the money for your damages. Is that not when you not to come to the palace? I will not pay you for any damage. Do you hear me?
If not for one thing, I would have used this thing and break it on you. Nonsense.
Hey!
Linda, but why would you go to your younger sister's shop and fight her?
Did I not want her not to come to the palace? Hey. Did I not want you?
Prince.
Hello, beautiful Linda.
I'm dressing in your bedroom.
Yes. You know, every time you fix this room by yourself, I have beautiful dreams and I sleep very well.
That's good to know, my prince. I hope you also dream about the dresser.
Not really, but I must tell you this. You're very good at your job, and I like you for that.
Thank you, my prince.
You're welcome. And yes, you never told me you had such a beautiful sister. She's Sarian.
My sister?
Yes. Well, she was here earlier and gave me this money to hand over to you. Said you requested for it. Are you alright?
Yes, yes, I requested for it, yes, I did.
Good. I also spoke to the Queen Mother and asked for your sister to join the workers here. And guess what? She accepted. Are you good?
Good. Yeah, perfect. Good news.
Great. So I'll just allow you get on with your job.
Thank you, my prince.
You're welcome. Good. Hurry up.
No! She can't work with me here. Why? No. She's not no.
Hey! Linda!
So this is the only reason you went to your younger sister's shop, humiliated her, just because of Prince Wilson, eh?
Good. Very, very good. Thank you so much, my sister, for this wonderful information. But you see that palace? Mama, I am going to close my shop. And I will work in that palace as a beautiful palace.
Yeah, you better warn her now. I will slap her if she does not stop talking nonsense. You better warn her now. I will slap you if you don't close your mouth and stop talking nonsense.
I'm ashamed. I'm ashamed of you guys.
He's ashamed of you.
Mama,
I will slap you now.
Mama, hold Linda.
He's ashamed of you.
Hold Linda.
My brother.
You cannot touch me.
Okay. I will slap you for embarrassing my brother. I will slap you now.
Mama, I have made up my mind. I will not go back to the shop. I am going to work in that palace. Whatever thing that will happen, let it happen. Yeah, Mezie.
Ram wife. She's a Biko. Do you want your sister to kill you for me? Please now.
Mama, it's a kill.
Biko.
So be it. Mama, so be it. If I would die on top of Linda's matter, so be it.
God, please. But, Chizaram, please now. Okay, what of your shop? Who will be there?
What will you be doing at home? You go to the shop and stay now. Or are you too old to go to the shop? At least every month end, you will do counterbalance for me. You will do plus and minus. In fact, I don't even want the shop. Take it. I chose him. Mama, I will work in that palace. Whatever thing that wants to happen, let it happen. Yeah, Mezie Mebiko. What nonsense.
Hi. What is wrong with these children? Hey! What kind of children are these? God, please help me with these children. What kind of children are they? Please help me, God.
We all know how you and Prince Wilson is trying to get along in this palace. And now he's liking your sister. And the Queen Mother accepts she'll be part of us in this palace. What are you going to do?
I feel like killing that girl. Sorry, but I feel like slapping her. If you know the way I settled Izu to link me to this palace for me to come and work. Now this evil sister of mine wants to come and ruin my chances. I feel like killing that girl.
I think I know what to do to stop that girl from working here in this palace.
Hey, you are here. Are you cleaning already? This one you are here. No, nothing. Also now this one I'm here. Hi! I just came to see if I can help you mop and lay the bed. You know how much I love to clean this room. Thank you.
But you know say it's my turn to clean Prince's bedroom today.
I know. But you also know I have a passion for cleaning this room. So I said to myself, since you have other things to do, like assisting Teresa or going to the market, let me come and help you clean this place, since I like to clean this place.
I don't understand. You want to take over my job or what?
Your blouse not take over your job. No. It's just to help you clean this place.
No. I like this one. One more thing. Don't treat me like your sister. In fact, I'm not interested in the Prince Biko. You know I'm engaged.
I know. Hey, you're shouting. I just let me help you and lay the bed and clean. I just like to clean the room. That's all. You know I like to clean this room. You know. Man, what can I give you so that I will help you and lay the bed and clean? You know I have passion for cleaning this room.
Hey! Hope no one there.
Did you keep anybody there?
This lady is very serious, oh.
I'm serious now.
So because they have paid salary, you now feel like big chick, okay? Yeah?
No, hey, I just like to clean this room. Just tell me what should I give you so that you let me clean?
Oh yeah. Money speaks. Give me your salary. And I will stop cleaning Prince's bedroom for you.
Okay. So now give me his salary. My salary, okay?
His salary. I say your salary.
Yes. And do you mean all or half?
All.
All?
Yes.
But I'll be cleaning this room.
As long as your salary is involved. In fact, if you want to be sleeping, sleep. Your salary.
Okay, I'll give you.
Fine and good. Money speaks.
I don't have it. They paid it to our account now.
Can't you do transfer?
Yes, I can do transfers.
Madam Cash should be. You want to be cleaning Prince's bedroom.
Okay, transfer.
Forget this, I don't trust you, Linda.
Is it all or some?
I said full salary.
I'll give you. Call the account.
How you come?
I'll send it through your SSR.
Okay. Anyhow, all I know, full salary. 52 33.
All of where?
Hey!
33.
No, I said full salary, all.
She the mad for love, she the crazy for love. Linda, don't they carry the way? Which kind of love is this? She's ready.
Linda,
My prince.
don't you think you've cleaned enough?
Oh, sorry, my prince. Yes, I've cleaned enough. Yes.
So when is your sister joining us?
My sister.
Yes, your sister. When is she resuming work here in the palace?
Oh, my sister will not be working in the palace, my prince.
Why? What's so hard to do in the palace?
I don't want her to work in the palace for some personal reasons. And I can't discuss it.
Well, I command you to discuss that with me now.
My prince, my sister has a spiritual problem. That's why she can't work here. Because I fear that if she works here, she will get into trouble.
And what spiritual problem are you talking about?
She's a kleptomaniac.
What? You mean your sister steals for no good reason?
Yes, my prince. Please excuse me. Don't worry.
You said I came to your shop and I destroyed goods worth 50,000 naira. This is 55,000 naira. Take it and replace the goods that I destroyed that is worth 50,000 naira. Take.
Why are you giving me money?
I said, now why am I giving you money? Eh? Are you not the one that said I destroyed goods worth 50,000 naira in your shop? So I have brought 55,000 naira, extra 5,000 on top, so that you can use it and go and buy more goods and replace it in your shop.
Linda, so this is your plan. Your plan is for me not to work in that palace. Mbanu, you came late. Because you see that palace, I will work in that palace and it is final.
Really?
Yes. You can have this money, keep it for yourself, because I'm working in that palace.
So if you go and work in the palace, who will take care of your shop? I'm asking you, who will go and take care of your shop?
Mama, of course.
No, it's Mama, of course. No, Mama, of course. Ooh. Get annoyed too much. It's my sister. Hey! Oh yeah. Hey!
She's a Mekbere. Eh? You know you're my sister. Eh? Please, Bikon, take this 55,000 and replace everything in your shop. And then the extra 5,000 there, use that buy something for yourself. Tigi. Bikon, do not work in the palace. Do not come near the palace. I'm begging you. Just replace everything that you lost in your shop and let's move on from there. Yotago, Bikon. Oh?
Linda, when you're done talking, you can go back to work.
I'm finished. She has rejected my money. Chizara Mekbere is looking for my trouble. She wants to start again. She wants war. I will give her war. My heartbeat, my husband, my love. Hi, you're my everything, Prince Wilson. In fact, you're the owner of my life. Listen, I will never allow anyone to come near you or have you. And I will never allow anyone to come between us. I swear. No woman will ever mean anything to you because I am the queen. You are my soulmate and my everything. Hi, I love you so much. Good night. And please, come to my dream. Come to my dream, my Prince Charming. Squeeze me tight in your arms. Oh! Hey! I love you and nothing can stop me from having you.
This is amazing. What this girl called Linda lack respect. Imagine, how could this girl come to offer me money to talk to her sister, not to work in the palace? Honestly, this girl lacks respect. I'm going to deal with her. By the time I'm done with her, she will know the type of person I am. Don't worry, I've been taking it light with her. This time around, I'm going to be very serious with her. Ogama, that I won't hear Jack Bokama. I will deal with her. Don't worry. Nonsense.
Teresa, my dear, what I'm telling you shocked me down to my bone, man.
Hey, wait. You mean she gave you a salary just for you to stop cleaning Prince Wilson's room?
Yes, sir.
Hey.
In fact, as we speak, the money is written in my account.
This is unbelievable.
As for me, Ifeoma, I don't care. I mean, she can clean for all I care.
Abio, don't mind now. Let's go to our duty post.
Let's go, man.
Linda, wait. Linda, baby. Linda, be coming down. Beautiful girls always like to do shakara to this fine boy called Chima. Linda, you know, it has been appended in the bottom of my heart that you are the rightful bride for me. Linda, I pardon you for the unruly tantrums you exhibited the last time we met.
Yeah? Is something wrong with you? Why do you like pestering me in this village?
Do I look like I'm your class? Are we on the same level?
Linda, I don't know why an ordinary palace maid like you will try to equate your level to the position of a monarch. Linda, you don't have any reason to even think or imagine of you becoming a queen, because even your 10th generation yet unborn, cannot even smell royalty. Linda, we are the same world. You and royalty are like what's apart. Accept this fine boy called Chima.
Are you mad? You are talking to the future queen of this kingdom. The next time you insult me again, you will see what I'm going to do to you. I've warned you now. Chima, I have warned you now, and I will not warn you again.
Top slap. Linda must still leave me with a thunderous slap anytime we cross paths. Oh God, Linda, like Mark Friday says, I will not give up until my light comes up. Linda, best of the same feather flocks together. You have no reason with royalty. I'm meant for you. Linda, I love you. Linda, I'm in love with you. Oh, what a slap. Romantic slap. That's what it's been called.
So, you girls wanted to see me? Yes, Majesty. What is this all about?
It's about the new girl you intend to employ in this palace, Your Majesty.
And what is it about her?
She's actually my sibling, Your Majesty. And she's a kleptomaniac. It's a problem that the family has handled privately for a very long time. My mother has been heartbroken by it. Of late, she stole at the market and was beaten thoroughly. My father too died as a result of this heartbreak. We all just fear that if allowed to work in the palace, she will disrupt the peace that we enjoy in this palace. That is why we decided to speak to you about it, my queen.
Yes, Your Majesty. She was my friend back then in secondary school. I stopped being friends with her because of this stealing attitude, Your Majesty.
It's alright. I've heard you girls. You may go.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
She the mad for love. She the crazy for love. Linda, mumu, don't they carry the way?
I'm having a second thought about that girl you asked me to employ in this palace.
Why?
They said she has a bad character and I can't condone that in this palace.
Since when did you start judging people based on what you heard about them?
They are not just people. Those are her close relatives. They grew up with her. They know her better than the both of us.
Well, I understand what you're saying. But I think you should give her a trial. Yes. That will tell.
That's okay. I'll look into it. That's by the way. So, when is Juliet coming to visit us?
Oh, she said she'll be here after her master's degree exams. Yeah.
That's good. Because the others are really getting worried, you know.
Not to worry, she'll be here very soon. Oh, talk of the devil.
Oh.
Yes, hello, darling.
Do you think I'm playing with you? I'm the one that bought these clothes for you. And I'm going to burn them.
Linda!
Because you cannot be wearing what I bought for you in this house. Meanwhile, you are disrespecting me.
Linda, see, I don't care if you the one that bought these clothes or not. But you have no right to burn my clothes now. I usually buy things for you as well now. Linda, it's not fair.
What is it again,
Mama, see Linda. Linda wants to burn my clothes. Linda.
Right now? It's not right. You can't burn your younger sister's clothes because you bought them for her. It's wrong, very wrong. No, now.
Mama, do not get it up. I don't want. I do not want.
No, don't do that. Don't do that.
Mama, do not get it up. Mama, hey! Linda, you push Mama away. Linda, you push. Linda, I will slap you. I will just. I'm going to slap you. Somebody help me. Linda, stop. I will slap you. Linda, I'm going to slap you. Hey! Somebody help me. Give me that. I will just slap you now. Mama!
So, what did you say I should tell the prince?
Hey, Izu. You know that you and the prince are very close.
Of man.
And he listens to you. So I wanted you to help me and convince the prince and his mother not to allow my sister walk in the palace. Izu, you have to help me. Help me even if you have to use derogatory names about her. Use it. Tell them how evil she is and why it's important not to allow her anywhere near the palace. Biko, please. That girl wants to ruin my life. I'm tired.
Is that all?
That's all.
That's all. Consider it done.
Thank you.
Consider it done. And a small challenge now. I'll know what to do. I'll talk to the prince.
Thank you.
Go and sleep.
Okay.
No, don't worry. I will just go to the palace, rest, take a breath. It's done.
She the mother, she the crazy.
It's complete. It's settled.
She's ready to give her salary. She's
don't go and rest.
She the crazy for love, Linda. Don't they carry the way? Which kind of love is this?
Linda! Linda! Please stand up and go inside. I want to do something. Hey.
Hi. When I was dreaming all this while.
Are you asking me?
Hi. Yeah? What is wrong with you? Why did you come and wake me up when I was having an intimate moment with the prince? Why did you disrupt my sleep? What is the problem?
See, Linda, I don't care whatever it is you are doing here, but please, I want to use this spot at this time, now.
So, are you the one that owns this spot?
I want to use it now.
Ashu, are you mad? Are you mad? I'm telling you that you disrupted my dream when I was dreaming about the prince. And you're replying me nonsense. Are you deaf? Eh?
You slapped me, Linda.
Yeah? Are you blind?
Linda, you slapped me. You know, I'm gonna get back. Okay, touch me.
Touch me, fight.
Touch me.
Come, let's fight.
Linda, bring it back for me.
Come, let's fight. You're bringing bottle for me.
Linda, you want to kill me. Let's fight. You want to kill me now that Mama is not around, Abi? Oh yeah, now. Come now.
Okay.
Because Mama is not around.
Drop your weapon. Let's fight hand to hand. Drop it.
Eh?
I cannot play with you.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Well, Izuchukwu, I've heard all you said. But I'm wondering, how come you know this girl so well?
My prince, are you the one asking this question? You know, he just came back from abroad. But we have been in this community ever since we were born. We know everyone's lifestyle and we monitor all our people in this village. In this case of Chizaram, she's evil. Yes, Chizaram is evil. Listen, if you should allow Chizaram to walk in this palace, one day she might even steal this palace.
What?
Yes.
Oh, come on. Of course you know that's impossible. That's totally impossible.
My prince, in her own case, it's possible. She's a total turn-off.
You know what? That's enough. Alright? Like I said, I've heard all you've said. Okay? Let's forget about her and talk about something more important. Like the community. What's up? What's going on here? She's around me, baby.
My prince.
How are you?
I'm fine, my prince.
Please stop putting me like a child. Calm down. You have been saying since. You're pushing me. What's the problem?
There's a very big problem.
That's what you have been saying from outside till now. What is the problem?
Okay. I overheard Prince Wilson asking his mother, the queen, which way leads to Afuku market.
Is she in the way now? Afuku market?
Yes, our market.
What does the prince want to go and win our market? What are you preparing there?
I don't. So let me check whether somebody is hearing us.
Did you put somebody there to be hearing us?
This palace.
Why is the prince looking for our market?
That I don't know. But I think he wants to trace your sister. Sarian.
Somebody must die today.
Calm down first. Wait. Calm down first. Calm down first.
Sarian has killed me.
See, Linda, just
Sarian has killed me.
Sarian has scattered my plans. Lower your voice, Linda. You want to put me into trouble.
I don't want to get into trouble. Sarian has killed me.
See, calm down first. I'm not sure. But let's sneak out. Go and check. If my assumption is right or not. Well, what do you think? Just calm down.
This girl's always scattering my plans. Oh, this girl wants to steal my destiny again.
Can you just please calm down? Linda, please. Okay, calm down.
Don't break my hand. Sarian has killed me.
Please.
Sarian has killed me. Sarian has killed me. You are pressing my hand. Killing me. Please calm down. Sarian has killed me.
Well, I went to your house to look for you and I was told that you were in the market.
Yes, my prince.
Why have you not resumed work at the palace?
My prince,
Well, I think I know the problem. You see, from the very first day you visited the palace, I liked you as a person. I've heard lots of things about you. Very awful things. But I do not think you're that kind of person. Listen, I want you to come work for me in the palace. For me and my fiancée personally. I'll leave you to think about this. Alright?
yes, my prince.
Take care.
Linda, you have to calm down. Yeah? You have to calm down, relax. I've told you there is no how Prince Wilson will bring your sister to the palace. It's not possible. After I've brainwashed him, it's not possible.
Then why was he in her shop today? He was in her shop today and they were intimate. I feel like killing myself. They were intimate. Whatever it is you are doing, it seems not to be working.
Calm down. Calm down, relax. Listen, it doesn't matter if he came to her shop, markets, anywhere. Remove your mind from that side. Yes, relax your mind. The most important thing here is that I've convinced the prince never, I repeat, never to bring your sister to the palace because she's evil.
Yes. I'm not happy at all, Isu, because it seems like whatever it is you are doing doesn't seem to be working.
It's working. Relax your mind.
Okay.
I mean, they do this game, Izu. Relax your mind. Go and sleep, in fact. You can go. Go.
Yeah. Don't forget to tell everyone that she used to steal.
She steals. What do you know he go? I will still use that one. I will still tell him that one. It's not a problem. Go and sleep. You go and sleep.
The money I gave it was complete.
It was complete. It was complete. But if you still have to add something to it, it's not bad though.
He can stay hard. You understand? Hey, nevertheless, go and sleep. Go and rest. I want to. Go and sleep.
Which kind of love be this?
Hey! Stop! You yellow half albino man. Stop there! Young half albino. Stop there. Stop there! Come to this side. You see, you must listen and listen very, very attentively. Do you comprehend? You know, it have come to my notice that you are the stumbling block, barricading and sandbagging my innermost intention from coming to an actualization in reality of Linda.
So, listen, what are you saying? You have been speaking nonsense. Who are you? What are you saying? What do you mean? I'm lost.
Yeah, I can see from your facial expression, I can see that you are lost. So let me bring you down to the level that you understand my lexicon. Because, what is your nomenclature? Let me ask.
What are you saying?
Where did they bring
nomenclature? What did they bring nomenclature? They bring what? You are talking nonsense.
Oh my God, where are you people from? Don't ask. Your nomenclature simply means what is your name? An abbreviation. You don't ask. You are touching an only son.
Did you touch me? Oh my God.
I've been no.
I'm going to tell you. Listen, if you talk to me again, are you okay? Huh? How dare you touch me? What are you saying?
Chima, the only son, the only youngest graduate. She's a killer. Take it easy.
Graduate. You know I'm graduate. Okay, listen. I don't condone it. Iboyala. You have been here speaking grammar, talking nonsense.
You know, if you don't remove your half albino hand from my shirt, you will end up spending the rest of your life.
I'm going to enter your laboratory. Listen.
Oh my God.
It's okay. You're just getting worried over now. Mama, I will die on this. I will die, The prince is my crush. He's mine. Why is Chizaram always trying to take things that belong to me? Why must she interfere? Linda, you already have the wrong mindset towards your younger sister. You two are all I've got. You ought to be best of friends as sisters. Not when she keeps taking what belongs to me. Please calm down. She's your younger sister. You're the eldest. Please calm down. Then what do you do? Here she comes. Please.
Mama, what is the meaning of this?
Linda, it's okay now. Let her be.
Linda,
Mama, do not get involved in this. Yeah. That charm, you have charmed every single royal person around me. I will break that charm.
Mama.
I've broken the charm. What is it? Huh? Linda.
Mama.
Hey.
What have I done to deserve this?
Linda, what
have I done to you?
Stop eating my destiny. Hey. Stop eating my destiny. Are you
not tired of fighting? Are you not tired?
It's okay. Stop trying to take what belongs to me. Stop eating my destiny. Yeah.
Mama.
Why are you two treating me like this? Huh? You two are all I've got. You should relate like sisters that you are and be happy. Or do you want me to die? Mama, please. Linda, do not ask me that. Ask this stubborn goat here that question.
Mama.
My daughter.
I have somehow considered not to work in the palace.
Hey! Chineke Nadalu so. You don't say. But what?
I have changed my mind. I will walk in the palace. First thing tomorrow morning, I'll be there.
Then prepare for war. Just prepare enough energy. Because you will not have a moment of peace from the minute you step your feet into the palace.
Linda,
I'm ready for you.
Linda, please.
Mama, are you hearing her?
Let's see now.
Are you hearing her?
Are you?
Cesaram, you're not walking in that palace.
Mama, never. Please. Mama, I will walk in the palace.
What?
I will see Gomko Council. I must walk in that palace. We will see what will happen first thing tomorrow morning.
Are you hearing her? Okay, we shall see.
But why are you greedy now? Allow her walk there. You must you go there?
Ma, are you supporting her?
I'm not supporting anybody.
You're supporting her?
I'm not supporting anybody.
Don't say I did not warn you.
Linda, please.
Do not say I did not warn you.
What will I do now? My younger sister has made up her mind to work in the palace with me. Prince Wilson has started to like her because he no longer smiles at me. Hi! Will I keep fighting her? If I keep fighting her, both of us will be sent out of the palace. Hi! God, what will I do? Well, let me give up. Because Juliet, the prince's girlfriend, will soon be back. And they will start their stupid love again. Hi!
Her eyes is on Princey Fugawa child. She is desperate. She is rugged Linda. She's ready to do anything just to have the prince.
My hardworking sister. Hi, a very hardworking, beautiful sister.
Linda. This one, you're so happy. You're smiling at me. Hope I'm not in trouble.
Bamba, you're not in any trouble at all. You know, you're my only sister. You're my only sister from the same mother, the same father. Me and you, we are not polygamous. Yatago. No, it's too much. I think we took that thing from Papa. We used to be angry too much. I shout, you shout. But we will not be shouting. Mama spoke to me all night yesterday. Just even crying. You want to kill your only sister? You want to kill your only sister? All my friends have called me to talk to me. You want to kill your only sister? You are fighting your only sister. You want to kill your only sister because of the prince? Have you forgotten that Juliet is coming to come and marry the prince? If you kill your only sister, then what will now happen? Juliet will marry the prince, then you will not be alone. So I thought of it, I said, I have not treated you well. So I said, let me come and apologize to you. Don't be angry. I will have knelt down to beg you, but I'm older than you to be a curse instead of a blessing. Let her go.
No. Sister. You don't need to kneel and beg me. You are older than me. You're my elder sister.
Yes.
And we're supposed to be like family. We're supposed to love one another and be in peace so Mama can live long for us.
Okay.
I'm forgiving you.
Hey, thank you. So it's go, let's draw now. Sorry. Me and you now win at the Champion League.
Hi! I can't again. Let me know who I faint. Because I'm tired. I cannot eat again. Because
We enjoyed it, Abi.
I wish I could take this food to the palace. So that Teresa can see when they say somebody can cook, what that means.
But you know Teresa can cook.
She can
what?
cook well. Weba, that potty she's cooking.
You know I'm bad at. Hi! Linda, can you not change?
Mama, what's happening here? Mama, you're welcome. I like this. Huh? Hi.
Mama, welcome.
Welcome.
Thank you, my children. Linda, Cesaram.
Oh, this is what I have so much prayed for.
Isn't that
Two of you together.
Mama, you see me as
Oh, God, I thank you. Hey, my two daughters.
Mama, don't mind the devil. The devil wanted us to fight and kill each other so that only you will be left in this house. But he lied. He lied.
Oh, I'm so happy seeing the two of you together.
Hey, Mama, I thought you said get for Mama.
Mama, your food is inside.
Food, do you know, seeing the two of you like this,
My tummy is already filled up. I'm so happy I'm filled up with excitement. Please, no more fights. Father, thank you.
Mama, go inside. Drop your bag and eat. Because we need to see you before we rush back to the palace.
Yes, we need to go.
Juliet, the girl that wants to marry the prince, she's coming. I don't want them to start looking for us all around the palace.
None. No. Hey, Dalu. Hey.
Mama.
So happy seeing you.
Yaya Nana.
But that's how it's supposed to be.
They're here. Hello to my mother.
My beautiful daughter-in-law.
Queen Mother.
How are you, darling? How was it?
Hectic, but I'm glad I'm here.
But she's here.
Yes.
You're welcome,
Wow.
my dear.
Yes.
Come, let's go in.
Come, darling, let's go inside.
What do you think?
She's not fine at all.
Linda!
What?
How will you say that?
How? Do not see her. She's not fine at all.
Linda, you're about to put us into trouble.
Please don't disturb me. Do you see when she's talking?
You're welcome, my dear. So how are your parents?
They're fine. They actually send their regards.
Oh, that's good. You're welcome to my kingdom.
I'm honored to be here, Your Highness.
So, darling, I hope your master's in the UK wasn't that stressful.
Oh, no. Went very well. Enjoyed every bit of it.
I'm glad you did. Glad to know.
That's good. I'm really happy to have you.
You bloody maid!
What is it?
She stepped on me.
I'm very sorry.
So sorry.
Sorry.
So sorry.
Sorry about that.
Please, get out.
Very sorry.
It's okay.
I'm sorry about that. Okay?
It's fine. It's fine.
So sorry about that, my dear.
I'm sorry, darling. Okay?
It's okay.
I hope you're enjoying your meal.
It's fine. I'm enjoying it.
I hate that girl. I just don't like her.
Linda. That is not enough reason for you to step on her toes intentionally. I mean, she just came in and you're just being resentful already.
Think what you want. I do not like her.
Linda, you have to be very careful. I mean, extremely very careful.
I'm very careful.
Where are you going to?
Nowhere.
Linda, what are you doing there? What if the Queen Mother caught you or maybe one of the chief guards? What would you have said to yourself?
Listen, the prince is being forced to marry that girl. He does not love her.
How do you know?
If they love themselves, you will see them all cozy. I don't hear sounds like...
Linda, that is not your business. Leave them alone.
All I know is that the prince will never marry that girl.
Why do you say so?
She's too ugly to be my queen.
Linda, bring your voice down. Let them not hear you. put us into trouble one day.
She's too ugly. Linda. Shut up your mouth.
If I talk now, you see, your minded sister, you should shut up.
That's why I just said now, shut up your mouth.
You shut already.
That girl can never be my queen. She's too ugly.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Where's my necklace? Oh god, where did I keep it? Oh my god.
Well, darling, I have...
Oh my god. Where the hell?
Babe, what's going on? What are you looking for?
I can't find my gold necklace.
A gold necklace?
Yes.
And where did you keep it?
I kept it over there on that table. I can't find it. I can't. Baby, that necklace was a birthday present from my father. And now I can't find it anywhere.
Are you sure you have looked everywhere for it?
Yes! I have ransacked the whole place. I have turned this room upside down and I still can't find it.
Well, darling, I don't think there's a need to panic. I'm sure it's in here somewhere. I'm sure it's somewhere.
Where?
Okay,
Oh, God. Oh my God, I cannot lose that necklace. I can't. Oh,
You say you kept it here?
I kept it right there on that table.
Sarian.
My prince.
Look at me. I employed you here to be taking care of my bedroom and every other thing in it. Am I right?
Yes, my prince.
And undoubtedly, you have been the one taking care of things here since my fiancé arrived. Am I right?
Yes, my prince.
How come you know nothing about the missing necklace?
My prince, I swear to you, I do not know anything about the missing necklace. My prince.
Are you telling me the truth?
Yes, my prince.
You may leave.
Thank you, my prince. Girl knows exactly what happened to my necklace, and she is going to pay for it, or I'll report her to Queen Mother.
Oh, come on, darling. You do no such thing.
Really? You talk to me like that? Wait, don't tell me you have a thing with that girl.
Oh, please. Listen, darling. I've ordered for the exact necklace from Dubai. I'm sure to get here anytime soon. So please, I do not want my mother to know about this. I want this matter dead now.
No! You can't tell me that! I want my necklace! You can't make me do that!
Tom, you're becoming too dramatic.
My son, Prince Wilson, is due to ascend the throne of his father.
My queen, I agree with you. Since the prince now has a wife to be, we can start preparation for the coronation.
Okay, that's good. And she's around. So I want everything to be done as soon as possible.
My queen, that won't be a problem. The Ezemo will tell us the day for the coronation. And when we turn, we inform the royal family about it, and that's all.
That's good. Thank you very much. That's good.
My queen, be that as it may, it's about the woman that killed her son. I am having the feelers that she actually didn't do it.
No, I have a bad feeling about that issue. I don't believe that woman killed her son. I mean, how can a woman kill her own son? No, I want you to look into that issue. Go and investigate that matter thoroughly and get back to me.
Juliet, what are you doing?
I'd love to be left alone.
I thought to stop those silly characters of yours that disgusts me. Of course, you know I detest the smell of cigarettes, especially around this palace.
Can you ask your maids, the one in charge of your bedroom, who took my underpants?
What are you saying?
I'd love to be left alone. How can I come to this palace and all of a sudden my things begin to grow wings and fly out of this palace? And you dare stand there and ask me, what am I saying?
Please excuse me.
I did not see any on this. My prince, I've been cleaning your room for a very long time. Nothing has ever been missing. Yeah? Did you see her on this?
Sister, how can you ask me such a question? I didn't see her on this.
I'm asking because the prince is angry. I did not see it. My sister did not see it. Our hands are clean.
Listen, if I don't see my undies in the next 10.5 seconds, I will report you maidens to the queen. I did not see your undies.
She did not see it. You can even come and check our bags if you are that.
Okay, fair enough. Let's go then.
Enough. You all can leave.
What? Thank you, my prince.
What?
Did you just let them go?
I'll buy you another one.
Never! Wilson! Never! I disagree with you on this one. Why do you keep covering up for this maids? Why? Why does it keep happening?
Well, for your information, I am Prince Wilson, and my orders stand. Like I said, I'll buy you another one, maybe a dozen, but for now I want this issue dead and buried.
Let me bring to your notice, Mr. Prince. I am not the lady that freaks out about royal class and all of this. I'm not! I want my underpants and that's what I want. You can't keep bullshitting me all the time. I want my underpants. I'm talking to you. You cannot walk out. Wilson! Wilson! Wilson!
I never gave birth to any child that will take what does not belong to her. Stealing is not in our blood at all.
Mama, ever since that lady came to the palace, she has been complaining of one missing thing to the other. Today it's either her bra, her pants, her necklace, her... Mama, in fact, everything. I don't know.
I am sure that none of my daughter is involved in this theft at all. Stealing? No, not in our blood.
Mama, do you know the one that pains me most? They said they think I'm the one stealing those things.
You?
Yes, Mama. Why? Because I'm the one being assigned to the prince's bedroom.
Oh. Hey! Mom, don't worry. Just keep your hands clean. Do your work diligently. Just one day you will see the person doing all this will be caught red-handed, and you will be exonerated. Oh, don't mind them. How can you go and start stealing somebody's thing? No, now, not you, my Chisara. It's okay. It's okay. All will be well.
My prince, when will you start listening to me? When? I've told you that this girl is a thief. She's a thief. A common thief. My prince, she looks so innocent in the face, but she's not clean. She's not pure at all.
You know, something inside of me tells me she is innocent. Although things are missing in my room, but I don't think she stole it. I don't think so.
My friends, you don't need a microscope or a soucia to tell you that this girl is a thief. You don't need any of these things to tell you that she's the one. Just admit the fact that you just like her being around the palace.
What is this? Wilson told me you quit smoking. Look here, young lady. If you will marry my son, then you have to quit smoking.
You can't tell me how to live my life.
How dare you raise your voice at me?
Nkiru, are you sure you are not the one that spilled groundnut oil on that floor? Because you know me too well, oh. After my mess, I used to clean up. Are you sure you are not the one? Nkiru? It's not me, oh. I even met before leaving. I don't know how she felt. If Queen Mother finds out, it won't be funny. Nkiru. Hey, I've told you. You're not the one. Okay, oh.
Chizaram. Get up and go back to what you were doing. You all know Juliet in this palace, as she's no longer a stranger here. Nkiruka and Teresa, both of you are in charge of the kitchen and everything that has to do with that department. So who amongst you spilled groundnut oil on the floor and forgot to wipe it off?
My queen, I swear by our deity, I did not spill any groundnut oil on the floor. You know I'm always careful.
Nkiruka?
You know me too well. I have been a very good servant in this palace, and I understand the carelessness guiding the kitchen. I wouldn't have done such, my queen.
Pathetic liars! Queen Mother, they are all liars! They are lying to you!
Juliet, I'll restrict you from calling my maid's name. Ifoma.
My queen, honestly, I'm still in shock. I only heard her scream. I came out only to find her on the floor. I don't know who would have done that, my queen.
Linda?
My queen. Oh, yes. I feel very bad that she fell, my queen. I felt really bad.
And I swear by the gods, I'm surprised. I will never pour oil for her to fall. I really feel bad.
Good. Since none of you girls want to accept this, there will be no salary for you girls this month.
Good.
You may leave.
Get out! Get out, you bloody peasants! They all need to stop working in this palace.
Calm down, calm down.
Bloody pathetic liars, all of them. All of them.
Just calm down. I'm really sorry for the inconveniences, okay?
Hey! Who would have done such a terrible thing?
Hey! Taller than thou, we have seen you. You are the righteous person in this palace.
Shut up your mouth. He's not taller than thou. He's holier than thou. Than thou. Don't talk to my sister like that again.
She was singled out from us. Who knows if she's the culprit here and the queen is too blind to see it?
Hey! Excuse me. What are you girls even insinuating? Eh? Listen, the queen excluded me because I don't work in the kitchen. My duty is to clean her bedroom and that of her son's bedroom. Or have you ever seen me in the kitchen? Have you? Have you ever seen me?
No.
Righteous girl.
She does not work in the kitchen. That's why she was singled out.
You are right.
You don't mind your business. That's why instead of saying queen, you're saying quine.
Why won't you side her?
I will side her because she's right. The kitchen is not her department. You push, you leave my sister alone. Hey!
Okay, now tell me, who would have split the oil on the floor? Who?
If you ask me, who will I ask?
Why won't I ask you?
We're not split.
Ask Gogo.
Gogo.
Yes, Google it.
Google. Hi, Chineke.
Whatever.
Understand this thing before
Hey!
you go for trouble.
Oh, these girls. Oi! Ever since I got into this palace, my spirit resents you. And I'm certain that you've been the evil maid plotting evil against me.
No, excuse me, Miss Juliet. I honestly do not appreciate you accusing me wrongly over something I know nothing about.
How dare you! How dare you speak to me in that manner? How dare you call me by my name? Don't you know I'm going to be the next queen of this kingdom?
No, future queen. Next time you try this, you will not go unnoticed.
You have overstayed your welcome in this palace. And you must leave! You must leave! So rude! So rude!
You see the leg I told you about? So she just slapped me now. She just stood here and slapped me now. The next time she tries that, I will retaliate.
Yes,
I will retaliate.
Yes.
Linda, what has come over you?
Nothing has come over me.
Why are you being so wicked? Why? Hey, why would you do that to Miss Juliet?
Because I do not like her. And yes, I am the one that poured the ground oil on the floor so that she can slip and break her leg, her hand, her neck, her spinal cord, or break whatever it is she has that can be broken. So she can go away. She's even useless to the prince.
Linda, why will you wish all this for a fellow human being like you? Why? That's so heartless of you.
It pains you too much. Go and report me to Papa in his grave.
Linda, I'll tell Mama about this.
Do you not hear what I just told you now? I just told you now, if it pains you too much, go to Papa's grave and go and report me to Papa in his grave. I will slap you if you disturb me again. Oh. Where are you going?
I'm talking.
Yeah, go back. Go back! Hi. What is wrong with Linda? Eh? Why is she antagonizing the queen to be?
Mama, do you know that Linda will not be receiving her salary? Same as other maidens. All because of her evil scheme to haunt Juliet. Why?
Yeah. Wow. Wait, you mean she poured groundnut oil on the floor so that she will slip and fall?
Why now? Why this wickedness? Eh? What is wrong with Linda?
Mama, I feel you should talk to your daughter. You should warn Linda. Forget the fact she's my sister, you have to warn her. You have to warn her seriously, else she's going to cause a very big havoc for herself in that palace if care is not taken. Ma, that's fine, I'm here.
Hey, you know what? Hi. Let's just be careful. Eh? Let's gently do your work. Hey.
You have no right to tell me who to sack or not. This is my palace, my father's palace. I will not take orders from you. Get that into your skull.
I can see that you're not interested in making me your queen. And you even think I will kneel and crawl for you. Never.
Juliet, what has come over you? You expect me to sack all the maidens in the palace and recruit new ones? When we're not even married yet. Which means when we get married, you're going to wake up one day and ask my mother to leave the palace. Hell no. I will not sack any maiden. Get used to that.
I won't take it! I won't! I think I'm gonna call father. Because I can't take this anymore. I'm going to call father.
Your father called me that you made a request and my son turned you down. My dear, what was your request?
Queen Mother, I want all the maidens in this palace sacked.
What?
You hear that, Mom? She's not even queen yet. We're just courting. Yet she wants all the maidens in the palace sacked. Who does that?
I know my right and I'll maintain it. It's fine. I understand the magnitude of my request. But Queen Mother, I want Linda sacked, officially and unofficially. I want her out of this palace at once.
You don't have the audacity, the effrontery to tell me who to sack in this palace when you are not even the queen yet.
I told her.
I can see that my right will be trapped and trampled upon if I accept this family. May I be excused?
Juliet?
Juliet, you have the right to walk out on the queen mother like that.
Son, what is going on?
Mother, please, excuse me. I'll be right back.
Yes. Juliet!
Wonder shall never end in this palace. Someone that has not become the queen is giving order that we all should be sacked.
I trust Queen Mother, she does not take rubbish. I mean, what was our offense? What did we do to deserve sacking? She is not happy there won't be no salary for us this month. She still went ahead clamoring for us to be sacked.
I know she's blabbing. I'm not going anywhere.
Same here.
Where is she? I mean, where is she? She cannot be bullying us in this palace. She cannot.
This nonsense.
Rubbish!
Darling, you need to calm down. Put yourself together. It hasn't gotten to this.
It has! It has! It finally has!
Okay, you know what? Linda will be placed on suspension. In that way, she will know her place and learn to respect herself in this palace. I think that would do it.
No man has ever torn me down. If you or your mother will not sack that girl, that fool, that snake that keeps sneaking into this room to steal my things just to get to me, then I have no other option than to go back to London. At least I can have peace of mind. That girl is mean. She can poison me if she's allowed to stay in this house. But for peace to reign, I'll leave. You can go ahead and employ 10 of our band. I don't care. I don't. I'm done with all
Darling, we can talk about this, alright? I don't see any reason why you should be acting like this.
I'm done with you and that stupid girl. Get out of this house and get back to London. Ask your guys to come and
Please stop, darling, please. This was not the plan. Where are you going to?
I'm going back to Lagos, and from there I'm getting the next available flight back to Heathrow. I'm done with all this. I'm done with the way you treat me like a second-class citizen, where I have no right to make a request.
Oh, God. We can sort this out, okay? Please stop.
I'm going back to London. Now! So ask your guards to take me out of here! I'm going back to London!
Babe,
I'm done with all this!
Not now, please. We can sort this out. I promise you we can sort this out! Babe!
I want to leave!
Babe! Babe!
And as for you, you can have your peace. Spread your wings. It's the palace. It's the queen. You can have all this. I'm not moved by any of this. But one day, you would regret treating people like trash.
Juliet! Stop this. We can sort things out. I promise you. Listen. Right? I'm sorry. But if asking her out of this palace is what you want, I'll do that right away. Okay? Linda, go in there, pick everything that belongs to you and get the hell out of this palace. Now.
Isn't that too late, young lad? Isn't it too late? Ask your guards to take him out of here. Ask your guards. Guards! Where's the guard answering me?
Wait.
We're seeing.
Mom! I said to stop, please! Babe!
Juliet! This is strange. Can you stop? At least listen to him. Hear him out! Stop this nonsense. What is this?
Listen to me, okay? I'm
going back to London!
You don't need to go back to nowhere! Babe! Listen! Listen to me! Calm down! Alright? We can sort things out!
My prince, I came to apologize for meddling in your affair and also to inform you that I'm ready to leave the palace now, as instructed by you. I wish to say thank you for the chance to serve. I'll never forget the palace. Thank you, my prince.
Wait. My mother, the queen, asked you to stay back. I will not go against her will.
Prince. The Queen is right. That girl is not the best for you. She's not worth you at all. You need someone who would love you and cherish you and be loyal to your every word. You need someone...
I need to be left alone. Please.
Very well, my prince. My prince. At any point, but if at any point in time, you need someone to talk to, someone to keep you company, I'll be more than willing and excited to be...
Please! Can you just leave?
Yes, my prince. Thank you, my prince.
I do not want you to ever leave me. All I want is for you to be my wife forever.
My prince, you know that would not be possible. I mean, your mother, the queen, she would never allow that. My prince, please let me go.
No. I will never let you go. I love you so much. And my mother has no right to go against my will. Alright? I love you so much. Oh, it's a dream. Why do I keep having this dream?
Come and join me, sing hallelujah. Hey! Jehovah Jireh has done me well. Linda. Oh, come on, join me.
Hey! Why are you here? You're supposed to be at the palace at this time of the day.
Come on, join me. God has done it big for me.
What has the Lord done for you?
This one that happened, God used his hand to do it for me.
And what is that?
The Lord has done it for me. He has removed all the enemies from my way so that I can have a smooth sailing.
Which of the enemies?
The prince's fiancé living in the palace. I say God did it for me specially.
Wait, let me get you right. You mean the prince's wife-to-be left the palace?
She left!
That's why. Did they have a fight?
Yes. And she could not stand the heat. So she left for me. Mama! Nemo! This is a big thing for you. Yes!
And that's why you're jubilating, eh?
Jubilating, chicken.
Hey!
This one is only God that can do it for me. They have left the path. Mama! taking another son.
It was right here. What's going on here? My wallet was right here. Yes. I left it right here. Hold on a second. Sarian. Sarian!
Oh. Look at me, Sarian. I want you to be free with me and tell me the truth. Alright? I'm not going to tell anyone. Are you suffering from kleptomania?
May the gods forbid. I'm so sorry, my prince. I am not a thief.
I believe you. But the fact is, things keep missing in my room. I'm only maintaining my calmness because I love you. Yes. I do love you. I dream of you all the time.
I'm so sorry, my prince.
Like I said, I dream of you all the time. I want to make you my wife. But first you have to let me know who you are. Properly.
My prince, I'm so sorry. My closing time is due. If you don't mind, I would like to join my sister home.
It's alright, but please, do think about what I just told you.
Okay, my prince.
What happened? Why is my sister Linda crying? She didn't even wait for me. What did I do to her? Am I the reason she's crying? But I didn't do anything to her.
After all my plotting against Juliet, so she can leave. She left and you still didn't notice me. You did not love me, you did not even see me. Chizara. Chizara is always causing me pain and sorrow. She's always taking things that are meant for me. From the way I saw them holding hands. Something is wrong. Something is wrong. The priest may have fallen in love with that bitch. She keeps taking what belongs to me. They were right. The people were right when they said that I can't have you. You don't deserve my tears. You don't deserve this pain I'm going through now. You don't deserve it. I tear every single feeling I ever had for you. I tear every single feeling. I tear it. Shizarami is always taking what belongs to me. But I wish her well on this one. I wish her well.
More people everywhere. Nothing to eat. Nothing. More people everywhere. Nobody to support my ministry. More people everywhere. Hey! My queen. Fine girl. Give me money. Give me money.
Take.
Money. Money. Fine girl. Fine girl. Pretty girl. Pretty girl. Be careful of her. She's evil. She's wicked. She's evil.
Be careful of who?
She's evil. Serpent in human form. She's close to you. She will kill you. She will kill you.
What's this one saying?
She will kill you.
You know she's a man.
Me and you, we come. You there here? One.
She's dangerous. What is she talking about? Who was she referring to?
My queen, the date for the coronation is out. And so we need to speed up preparations.
Oh no, I would want that date to be shifted.
Why?
The tradition demands that you be crowned with your wife by your side.
What about the young lady we saw in the palace the other day? We thought she would be our next queen.
That is the reason I want the date to be shifted. Because my son is not going to marry that girl.
Well, I'm sorry, Mom, but the date has to remain.
What are you talking about? Do you have a woman in your life right now?
Well, yes, I do. And she's not far from the palace.
Who is she, son?
And my queen, we are pleased to welcome you into our family. I know that you are coming here, it's a thing of joy, but you have to let us know specifically what good news did you bring to us.
Oh, my fellow elder, we and the queen and my elder here came because of our son, Prince Wilson Ikechukwu Onoha, saw a beautiful flower in your family and he asked us to accompany the mother to pluck it in kindness and genuine approach. Yay!
That's very good. My queen and my fellow elders, if you look around here, you see many beautiful flowers. But there are two specific flowers that are more beautiful than the others. So I don't know the one that the prince is interested in and they want to pluck it. Let us know.
Chizara Mebere. Her name is Chizara Mebere.
Exactly.
Ha!
Chizara.
This is not happening.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Chizaram.
Yes, uncle.
Come fast. Did you hear what the queen said?
Yes, uncle, I did.
What do you have to say? Okay, let me ask you. May you marry the prince, Prince Onoha? Listen, Ikechukwu Onoha, Afu Cheze Kingdom.
Talk now, speak up.
Will you marry him?
Talk now.
Yes, Mama, I will.
It's okay. My queen and my fellow elders, you have heard from her. So, we accept the entire royal household. But all you need to do now is to proceed with the necessary things regarding the bride price. I think. Yes.
Mazibe, thank you very much. We have to be on our way.
That's right.
Thank you very much. We are waiting. We are waiting.
Thank you very much. Okay. Thank you.
Linda.
Can you stop talking to me?
Pardon my manners, but let me break this down in a level that you will understand. Linda, you know, I once told you, verbally, emotionally, psychologically, physically, and otherwise, that you are not up to the level of becoming the queen of this great kingdom. That you are not up to the level of the monarchs. That you should accept me, Chima, the only youngest graduate in this kingdom, to become your future husband. Instead, you chose Prince Wilson to become your husband. Now what happened? Prince Wilson have chosen your sister, your little younger sister, Chizaram, to become his wife, to become the future queen of this kingdom. You've lost. Accept me. Accept Chima.
At least she's my sister. Not your useless sister who is a prostitute in this village. Oh. She's my sister. Long live my sister.
Linda, you've lost the battle. Linda, you lost the crown. You lost to become the queen. Linda, that was your desire to become the queen of this kingdom, but you lost it to your younger sister. Linda, now I can see that you are drained. Linda, I can see that you are facing a heartbreak, which may result you to commit suicide. Why not you accept me? Linda, accept me. Let me elevate you from this heartbreak. Let me take you to my humble abode and you become my wife.
Chima, I would rather remain single in my father's house than be married to a fool like you.
Shame, a very big one. That's a big blow on you. That your younger sister ended up becoming the queen of this kingdom. You bow to her. Linda, you bow to her royalty. You've lost it already, Linda. Long live Chizaram! Oh, what a shame! Long live Chizaram! Long live Chizaram, Linda's younger sister, the queen to be, the queen of this kingdom. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Linda, you've lost the battle! Come and accept Chima as your husband. Avoid heartbreak.
Linda, what is it?
My prince. Yes. I must say a very big congratulations to you. I'm happy for you, bro.
Thank you very much. I truly appreciate it.
At the same time, I want to apologize for all the things, all the craps I've told you about her. Well, it's not intentional. Yes. As a matter of fact, it was her sister that framed everything up. Yes. Well, I don't even know why her sister would want to tarnish her own sister's image. Like, it's funny.
Well, you see, all that is in the past now. Hmm? Yes, after all, you're my best friend. What are friends for? Thank you so much. I truly appreciate it.
You're welcome. Congrats once again.
Thank you. So what's the plan?
What is wrong? Why are you crying?
There's nothing, Mama.
No, now. Did somebody beat you on the way? This is very unlike you. Talk to me, my daughter. What is wrong?
Why is it that every single thing I want to achieve, I don't ever achieve it? Why is it that everything I strive to own, everything I desire, Chizaram has it or comes to take it with ease? Why? Just look at me, Mama, look at me. Am I not beautiful? Am I not beautiful enough? Am I too small for a rich man to look at me and admire me? I'm intelligent, I'm smart. Why? Why always Chizaram? Why? Why does she always take everything I want with ease?
It's not your fault, my daughter. It's destiny.
So my destiny is to suffer while Chizaram takes it with ease?
Just be patient, oh? Be patient. Just be patient and be happy for your sister. Your own time will come. And yours will be better. Huh? Be patient, baby.
I remember what Grandma said to us on her dying bed. I remember the blessings she gave to us, Chizaram and I.
My beautiful granddaughters.
Yes, Grandma.
Is that Linda? Is that Linda, my granddaughter's voice?
Yes, Grandma.
Where is Chizaram?
Grandma, I'm here. Grandma, please tell us a story about the beautiful princess and the prince.
Linda, whenever I hear you speak, I see a crown of a queen on your head. Don't struggle for it, because you might lose it.
Grandma, what about me?
My beloved daughter, you are blessed beyond measure. You will excel in whatever you do. Whatever you lay your hand, you will prosper. People will love you and favor you. It shall be well with you, my child.
Thank you, Grandma.
Let me tell you people a story.
Okay, Grandma. Please, Grandma.
Once upon a time, there is this village.
That crown is mine. She took my glory.
Linda, enough, please, oh? Enough. Calm down. All will be well, my daughter.
I'm not laughing stock in the village, Mama. Everyone is laughing at me. She took my glory, Mama. Everything I want, she always takes it away. She took my glory.
Calm down. All will be well. Oh? All will be well. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Laughing at me, Mama.
It's okay.
What's going on?
I can't find my jewelry box. All my jewelries are in that box. Even the special ring from your father, everything is in that box.
So, Queen Mother, have you searched the whole place?
I did. I've turned the room upside down. I can't find it. I don't know what is going on. Wait a minute. Chizaram, I sent you to get my phone from my room.
Yes, Queen Mother, you did.
And you are the only maiden who have access to my room. So, where is my jewelry box? Where is it?
Mom, I think you should calm down.
No, I don't want to calm down.
Calm down. Okay, let's look for this thing. We have to go back to the room.
Queen Mother, I swear, I have no idea of the missing box. I didn't see any jewelry.
So where is it?
Mom, I think we should go back to you.
No! I've checked that room. I've turned that room upside down.
I'm sure it's somewhere in this palace. Alright? Just go there and search properly and I'm sure we'll find it. Mom, just calm down.
I don't want to calm down. I want my jewelry box.
We'll find it. Please,
Yes, my prince.
please, I'd like for you to excuse us. Alright?
Thank you, my prince.
She's not.
That girl is a thief and must provide my jewelry box. She's a thief.
Mom, I'm sure you know that's the girl I intend to marry. Right? You're not supposed to talk to her like that.
What?
My queen, we've searched all their bags and there's no jewelry box in any of them.
Are you sure you searched your rooms properly?
Yes, I did, my prince.
So my jewelry box developed wings and flew? And Chizara is here crying that she knows nothing about it. While she's in charge of cleaning my room.
My queen, I've asked her. She didn't take it. She swore to me. We can swear an oath if you want.
No, Mom. There'll be no swearing in this palace. Please. Mom, just tell me what you had in that box and I promise you I will order for them.
Don't be a fool, son. Everything I cherish is in that box. Everything. And you, go and get me Ezemo. Ask him to come with you at once. You all will swear to the deity to prove your innocence.
What? Yes. Mom, we can't be doing that right now.
We are doing that already.
Listen. You need to tell me the truth. Alright? I can talk to my mother. She would understand me. But you need to tell me what happened to the jewelry box.
My prince, I am ready to take the oaths by tomorrow morning. I have never seen or tampered with the jewelry box. I didn't. I haven't.
Then what happened? How did it get missing under your care? This whole thing is just driving me crazy. Alright? And I'm scared. I'm scared because the Ezemo insisted that the oath will be taken in his shrine. And that's a big problem.
I know why you're scared. You've covered up for so many missing things for me in the palace. I know. My prince, I know nothing about the missing jewelries. I know nothing about them. I swear to you, I don't. I have never stolen in my life before. I am not a thief.
Are you all prepared to take an oath before the great deity of Obaka?
egwu n'enu ọnụ la dị atụlụ ma chachal. Ibe mala ya na sira tie. Mmiri lụrụ ya n'ọka ile okwu. Osisi tigburu ya n'ọka ya okwuru kwuo. Ana m ebelu chim. Udene si n'ime nwunye ya dị na ya tụ ya ụjọ. Ọmụ ọbụla udene ọgwụ anụ olili ada anụ. Mgbe ọgwụ egbu ibu otu n'ọgba na mapilo gbakụ. Mgbe m jije ka naga ọ sịrị na mele ọbụ ire ewe n'ọnụ. I must warn you again, maidens! If you are found guilty, you will forever run mad.
A great one. Why can't the great Okmaka fish out the culprit some other way, instead of death or madness?
No, my prince. You are following the queen's instruction. She knows why she decided for us to come here for the oath taking. Step forward and drink from the calabash. Chiziram. Where's your sister? Where's my daughter?
What happened today? Chizaram went mad.
Why would she take the oath when she knows she was guilty? She could have said the truth now. Hey. So Chizara is really a thief.
Abi?
This is unbelievable.
I'm still in shock.
I'm telling you, this is not funny at all.
Not at all.
So this is the person we have been having in this palace.
You have to take it easy on yourself.
I will not. I will not take it easy. Alright? I need more drinks.
Listen, my prince, listen. You have taken enough already. Please. Like, what is wrong with you? You're hurting yourself.
That chief priest made my fiancée go mad. He made her go mad and is telling me nonsense. I'm going to deal with that bastard. I promise you I will crush him. I will destroy him.
I understand you're right. But she wouldn't have taken the oath.
You know he made her take that oath. Yes, he made her take that oath. But I don't care because Chizaram is innocent. Okay, she is innocent. I know what I'm talking about. She is. I'm not drunk.
Alright, it's fine. I understand you. But take it easy on yourself.
I swear I'm going to make him pay. I'll freaking make him pay.
You know what? We have to go. We have taken enough already. We are done for the day. Like, we are done. We have to go now. Right?
She dey mad for love, she dey crazy for love. Linda, boo boo, boo boo, don't they carry the way? Which kind love be this? Boo boo, boo boo, hey. She's ready to give her salary. She's desperate for love. She dey crazy for love. Linda, boo boo, boo boo, hey. Don't they carry the way? Which kind love be this? Boo boo, boo boo, hey. Linda dey in love. She dey mad for love. She dey crazy for love. Linda, boo boo, boo boo, hey. Don't they carry the way? Which kind love be this? Boo boo, boo boo, hey. Her eyes is on crazy for the one child. She is desperate. It's your partner, baby.
Listen!
Linda, how could you sleep with the prince at this point when your sister is roaming all over the market mad? Why? So you wanted all this to happen
so that you take over the prince, eh? Hi. Hi. You said he was drunk. He was drunk and you knew it. Yet you lay with him knowing fully well that he was drunk. Hi. Oh, Linda. Linda. Hi. Now they have chased you out of the palace. And your sister is just there roaming around mad. So nobody is dragging to walk in the palace anymore. Are you now satisfied, Linda? Linda, why? Hi. Are you now satisfied?
Happiness is your character. You borrow trouble, and you're ready to fight. Fighter, what do you stand to gain if you destroy your sister? Stop fighting, you cannot change destiny. What do you stand to gain if you destroy your sister? Stop fighting, you cannot change destiny. You are wicked sister, you are wicked sister. What do you stand to gain if you destroy your sister? Stop fighting, you cannot change destiny. You are wicked sister. Kirika get melody Kobe digging man. Hey, your heart is full of evil. Hey, yeah.
For days now, I have been observing Linda. I think she's pregnant. Yes, she is. I must go to the palace. The queen must hear of this. I can't lose my last child to madness and the first to pregnancy, reproach, and a child outside marriage. No, this will not happen. The queen must hear this. I'm heading to the palace now.
You got that girl pregnant and you must marry her.
Mom, I did not get her pregnant. I was drunk, for God's sake.
Tell that to the birds. You must marry her so that next time when you get drunk, you don't crave for women.
Mom, I can't get her pregnant like that. It's not possible.
Her eyes is on crazy for the one. She is desperate, she is rugged, rugged Linda. She's ready to do anything just to have the prince. Oh, a dreamer, stay away from him if you want to be at peace with Linda. She the mad for love, she the crazy for love. Linda, boo boo, boo boo. Don't they carry the way? Which kind of love be this? Boo boo, boo boo. crazy for love. Linda, boo boo, boo boo. And they carried away. Which kind of love be this? Boo boo, boo boo. Ichibanyagi, if I put jealousy, Linda put to a biggie. And see that to a love, you go. Jealousy, I come go to a biggie. I come jealousy, I come go to a biggie. I come on the chicken or be. I come go to a biggie. I come go to back. I come go to a biggie. I come go high blood pressure. I come go to a biggie. I come.
Finally, I am the queen of this kingdom. Woohoo! Yes! Whoever said dreams don't come true? I worked so hard. Yes, I did. I worked so hard to get here. Now for those maidens. Now for those maidens, I'm going to deal with them. Let me drink. Okay. Sorry. Thank you. Sorry. So you cannot say sorry. Squeezing your face, you cannot say sorry. Pregnant person is uncomfortable and going through pain, and you cannot say sorry. It's your hunchback.
Sorry, ma.
Can't you see? Give me the tissue. Give me, is that not cool? Is that not why you brought this tissue here?
Sorry, ma. Sorry, ma.
Squeezing your face. Is the tissue? Give me. Just came here. Somebody's talking. You're squeezing all your face.
Sorry, ma.
I feel like sucking all of you. Especially this one that has hunchback. All of you, you put us, you, especially you. I'm going to clean this mark in your face.
Sorry, ma.
Oh. I like the one on the ground. Give me the one on the ground. Don't pull my leg. Don't pull my leg.
I'm sorry. Ifeoma, you have suffered. Ifeoma, you have seen the rich suffer. Imagine the end of just yesterday.
I don't blame her. She used her chance, but we couldn't use ours. Just look at the way she orders and controls us. Ha! Imagine her giving me a chair and a servant to carry. Is that not wickedness?
No, girls. I'm fed up. I mean, I can't continue working in this palace with this nonsense I'm seeing.
Did I hear you say you are fed up?
Yes! You heard me right, Linda. Linda, you're very wicked and heartless. Look at you. We were all by your side. Just yesterday, we helped you defame and rubbish your sister's character, all for your selfishness. Now, you see us like a piece of rag.
What are you if not pieces of rag?
And I refuse to be your rag.
Same here!
Linda, if I beat you black and blue, you see me Teresa, eh? You see me Teresa, don't just use me to play. In fact, I've sacked myself! I've sacked myself! Linda.
Mommy!
Linda!
Mommy! It's so certain that nothing is hidden under the sun. One day, your reward will surely come. Rubbish, you come back to this palace. Who cares?
Let me not see you come back!
Don't worry, you will not see me.
I swear, it's the palace.
You two? Let me not see any of you come back here again! Did you hear me? And...
Koi!
Juliet, you came to see your mother.
Give me food. Food. Give me food.
You want to eat food?
Mama, give me food.
Sarah? Okay, don't worry. I'll go and get food for you. Hi, Arwene. Hi. Who did this to me?
Mama, give me food,
Sarah. Yes, food. Sarah. Sarah. Give the food, yes. Let me give you. Help! Come on, go and take your bath. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Why? Who is this man? Sister, come here. Who will help me catch her? Nakwani Chisara Guamore. Hey. What did I do?
Why? Why did you sack the maidens?
Second time I have to repeat myself. I told you earlier, I do not require their service anymore.
Are you sick in the head? How can you do a thing like that without my consent? How could you?
Because I am queen. I choose domestic staff, not you. And I say I do not require their service anymore. How hard is that?
And you think I'll ever fall in love with you like this? I'll tell you this. You see, Chizaram, whether mad or not, she will always have a special place in my heart. I will never fall for you. Not today, not tomorrow. Never. Not even in your wildest imagination.
That's a shame. That's the reason why you won't touch me, you don't carry your child. Because you're still in love with a mad person. A woman who stole your mother's jewelry box and denied it. It's sad.
God. You are a disgrace to sisterhood. God!
Wait, okay, you get annoyed too quick. Much.
What? What is it?
It's heartbreaking, you know. And it's heart-wrenching that since I'm carrying your child, you wouldn't look at me, not to talk of touching me.
Honestly, laying on the same bed with you irritates the hell out of me.
You can't possibly deny me and deny your child now, can you?
You disgust me. I regret ever meeting you. I tell you this.
So that means there's no hope of you giving me a second or two in bed.
Please stop. Stop!
Never have like a conversation with that one person.
No, we cannot! We can never talk.
Good day, Mama.
Welcome, my king.
How is she?
At least she now comes home. How is her sister?
Mama, there's a problem.
Problem? Problem again? What problem?
It's been 5 days now. She has been in labor.
5 days?
Yes, 5 days. She can't push. She can't do anything. And the baby's not coming. Yet the doctors confirmed that she's due for delivery. I don't know, I'm just confused.
Please, where is the hospital? Take...
The doctors and the nurses are taking care of her at the palace. Yes, ma'am.
Please, take me there. Take me to my daughter.
Right away.
Linda. Linda.
In the name of Jesus.
Amen.
In the mighty name of Jesus. Amen. By the power of the Lord Jesus Christ, I come against every spirit fighting against this spirit. In the name of Jesus. Amen. Out of this one in the name of Jesus. Amen. Out of this one in the name of Jesus. Amen. The Bible said that you men will deliver the women of Hebrew in the name of Jesus. Amen. You will deliver suffering in the name of Jesus. Amen. Every power of darkness working against this body, I come against you. I come against you. I come against you. Leave this body. Leave this body. Leave this body. Leave this body. In the name of Jesus. In the name of Jesus.
Amen.
The Lord said, I should not pray for you. The Lord said, I should not lay my hands on you.
Why? Pastor, why? Pastor. That's why you're here now. Please, no.
Continue. Continue, please.
You have to confess your evil deed.
Confess?
The Lord will decide her fate. I am just a messenger of God.
Linda, what have you done?
If you refuse to confess, she will remain like this forever.
Please. No, Linda, what is it?
Go ahead and confess.
You confess? Hey! Linda, what have you done?
Go Go ahead and confess.
Young woman, what do you want me to do for you?
Wise one, mouthpiece of the gods. Tomorrow, the elders of the palace will gather here with the maidens to swear an oath. The jewelry box of the queen is missing. I took it. I do not want to suffer the consequence of that act.
Then what do you want me to do for you?
I want you to push that punishment to my younger sister once we swear the oath.
Your younger sister? Why? Why your younger sister?
Because she took the prince from me. I want her out of the way, and I will do anything to get her out. She's fond of taking everything that should belong to me. She stole my glory and my destiny. I want her out of the way, and for good.
Do you have any idea that she will remain mad forever?
I do not care, wise one. I don't even care if she dies. I just want her out of my life for good.
Very well then, but I must tell you that the request you have made is very dreadful. However, Omag I have heard, but you will do one thing for
me. Anything, wise one. I'll do anything, as long as she stays out of my lane forever.
Then, you will have to sleep with me.
No, wise one. I'm but a mere mortal. Surely, the gods cannot ask that of a mere mortal like myself. I mean, the gods can hear you.
Oh, I see. I see. Then be prepared to run mad after taking an oath. Or better still, return the jewelry box to the queen and apologize to her.
I'll do it. I'll do it.
Mention the name of your sister 3 times.
Chizaram. Chizaram. Chizaram.
You will call me to my chamber so that you will fulfill your promise. Oh, you can know now, dog.
Hey! Hey, Fuemo! Linda! Eh? Oh! Fuemo! Linda!
I've confessed. I was the reason why Juliet left the palace. I frustrated her. I frustrated her until she left. I poured the water on the floor. I'll confess. Go ahead. I'm the one that has been stealing everything in the palace.
Why?
Continue. Why? Manifest.
Linda! I am queen. I am queen.
Continue.
Linda, why? Mama! Why? I am queen. Queen.
I love the brains. Jealousy and greed.
our queen beautiful?
Yes.
And this. As the Onowu of Umuchieze Kingdom, I pronounce you the Lord of this great kingdom.
Please rise, my queen.
My beautiful daughter-in-law. You're welcome, my queen. Congratulations.
Che. Umuchieze queen. Indeed, it is a very beautiful day. Please, sit, my queen.
Yes, it will interest you to know that the youth had gone to the Ezemon's shrine to burn it down. But they met something different. They met his body engulfed by termites.
Then we must know the gods are wise.
Yes, they are.
I do not want him to be buried in this land. I want him to be thrown into the evil forest for the vultures to feast on.
Yes, my king, you are correct. That is how it's supposed to be. The gods have actually paid him the price he deserves.
You have taken a very good decision, son. Nice one.
Thank you very much, mother.
Wickedness of man.
Of course, wickedness. But it will not stop us from celebrating this day. Huh?
At last, peace, I mean real peace, have returned to Umuchieze Kingdom.
And that calls for great feast on this land.
Makalachaya Zagoaye Pere Chimzaram.
She the mad for love, she the crazy for love. Linda, boo boo, and they carried away. Which kind love did they say? Boo boo, hey. She's ready to give her salary. She's desperate for love. She the crazy for love. Linda.